Warning to headphones users. This video contains loud sounds. Enjoy. Oh my god. What even was that? Messing with Meep soundboards.
Is that a chicken?
I don't see a chicken, all I see is Ghost Adventures.
Free Shavakadu! And his name is John C.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect from the streets. No! This is Patrick!
Bruh.
Here is the secret key. I cannot see you. That way you cannot see me. I am hidden.
He needs some milk!
I like turtles.
I like trains.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
How it feels to chew 5 gum.
Oh, I know this next one so well.
You violated the law.
Look at all those chickens.
Exotic butters.
Me when I want food.
Chicken strips!
Whoa, technology.
Goodbye. If you watch this to the end, you're awesome.